view. Magona asking and the Munahana and the Malanaza, you know. Come on, I'm my master. Ugo when I PhD now for the moment.
I want mine come out. I was eating
so, the Munahana studio today, but even I can.
Yeah, I'm one master, aka Papa Ngwore. Dalono.
Okay.
Okay, I wouldn't make a Dixon.
Yes.
When you use the ball, can I say?
So, a key point about poverty and unemployment, system corruption and system corruption, poor governance, weak criminal. So, in I found Ogbe style you to win. So, my master, in tackling criminality, if I and I consider first, manani criminality, in tackling it now, you know, if I consider.
First of all, to na onyago amaro ya obro di inu no mmadu go ya na egwu na onyago amaro ya. Then another thing bụ na contentment or part of the whole thing. Morals etu esi wee zụọ onye etu nne na nna si eme not just nke fa kwuru n'ọnụ omume fa ụdị ife fa na-anabata ịkwụsịsị ife ndị a tinye nke fa kwuru n'ọnụ. Then you add environment, very, very important. Who are the mentors in the environment? So these are key factors. Somewhere, some words, quotes, government or maybe people will not consider the weight of those songs. But the implications, the obvious, nando, everybody. None of the environment. So can you do that for now?
The master, when you talk about song, I'm going to make green.
So now I'm going to make green. No, okanko. I'm going to okanko. Even say for when they umobli bo go. When God say no onye ji egbe ya agbata ego. Onye ji mma ebute ego. Ife nwan ma ụdị ajọ ndụ n'ọkwa ọlụ. Ife nwan n'ọkwa ọlụ. So all the much.
From we go egwu motivates fast. If you go to the job or chant
of course.
And that egwu with footprint.
And I underrate the power of music. Ama mgba wilo na ewu. Ama na step ndị mmadụ step nwa agbọ na-aga n'ụzọ. Ya afọ onye na-agba wilo with style. Yeah. But am I gonna all these things I need another fire. Oborokwa na government ye choose lyrics for ndị na-agụ egwu but ekwu okwu morals. Enwe things
guideline.
You amplify them. When they are waputa, you douse them. That's just the truth.
So, Dixon, can I know now? Okay, if you tackling criminality, can I first?
You tackle criminality.
Yeah.
First of all, any they can tackle the root cause.
That's what we're saying.
Now, the major problem I know when over there, most times I not tackle the symptoms. When we can name arrest, or arrest, and we root causes like one name okay who go. Then we even about the socio-economic condition. You talk about poverty. You got that. You talk about not giving equal opportunities to people. You got that. Some people are doing trust in most of the institutions in which nobody. And these are the things that have led people into criminality. Now, poverty is one thing. When you do poor, out of frustration or depression, you see the person going into crime. And most times,
so the in a mean now.
Yeah.
to tackle criminality, they need poverty.
It has to be eliminated. Now, how that is possible by creating jobs. So many people do unemployed. Okay. And the truth is that one of the root of unemployment, one of the root of poverty, unemployment. Because if there are no jobs, you see that the poverty level may increase. Okay. You got that? So one of the ways to tackle criminality, first of all, we create jobs.
This in set in Africa. Are we like our culture way of life?
Well, Abian our culture way of life in this part of the world, like my brother Hugo. Now there are certain sects believe in a valuolo, valoya. You understand me? Valoya, contentment, like my brother said. Now moral values. Another problem anyway, when some moral values are do go broken, and we're a good moral foundation from the family. You gotta go. So this has caused a lot of issues.
This moral value that you're talking about means that maybe nampa nezuri or man nezuri nwamolo.
Exactly.
Or maybe nampe wori for na
when
we talk about employment, but also employment you mean by government provide job and give. Okay, what if na that employment
they can trade for themselves?
When you Ghana, the olden days, if we are like we are farmers, you know, and when they are also it's
definitely.
So now those people are if we want to creative.
Yes.
So when did we start depending on employment?
Now, who this thing? Now, you have to play your own part. Imenkel, the government we have to create an enabling environment for businesses to strive. Because so many persons have to go out of business today based on the environment they created for them. You understand me? So I think an enabling environment should be created for people.
Enabling environment
should
be created. Okay. The Maya Master, only Fenaju, Dixie, Manacho Mkeloto, Akade. Ibagona, only Hempu. Igbo abena enwe aji wulu ndị Igbo, you know, nwe aji wulu ndị Africa, because anya wuro ndị ọcha na-eche ka gọọmenti na-efa ka ha wuru anyị na-eji aka from nwa self isogolu mpa ije ugbo solo mpa gị lụọ ife ọ na-alụ, you know, mere nkenwa emero nkenwa. So when kemgbe anyị bidozi depend simazi employment because na government employment ka ajezi azu ike as youth.
Why most times I come from a very different angle is because most of the sites I touch, I believe now when Erapuya, sometimes I am that side. So I want to say that criminality, if you create jobs, that job in your governance,
that's true.
What I'm trying to say is that even rich people their capacity. All depending on billion van. When they of course. So criminality most times about what we are doing and what we are not doing, or probably about what the government is doing and what they are not doing. Everything you do in life, or the way I want them to reason, has implication. If I want to Na-Eme, or you implication. May for the implication. In for that next time on yours, that person the implication the heavy. Next time on yours, I try avoid that kind of thing. So I try point out that the government, if I was in tackling criminality, it's not just providing jobs or tackling poverty, because even them themselves, most of them are criminals too. What they have to do if they want a saner community. But look at what happened in US, 22-year-old that shot somebody.
Like this guy.
So it took them just a few days. You understand? If you allow people to get away with crime, it's going to continue.
Sorry, what you are saying, weak criminal justice system.
Yes.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, now how do we how do we improve it? Our justice
How we can
system,
improve it? Am I gonna this? I said I just now put your so in everything I do now. Everybody should be identified. You cannot tell me that people on Na-Eme they are Nigerians. No single identity. You cannot maybe by if I touch in the things as sample age where the person. Even the rifle will use.
Yes,
with our fingerprints from there. Things all touch each other. So you cannot tell me that those people who know Na-Eme also that officer is not part of Nigeria. I don't know. I'm not more if why not find sophisticated things where capture the environment. In fact, connect everybody, all the individuals are in Nigeria. Link everybody to NIN. Get serious with it. On where any data system Nigeria they should get serious with it. And on where if I gather for everybody. You cannot say you are part of this country and you are not recorded.
Yeah.
So, because we do not create all those digital gadgets, and
we do not create them by ourselves.
Yes,
right?
we do not make them.
Yeah, I'll ask. Are these things the only things we import? Nigeria is getting close to. At a point, I'm on my house. I just checked how many phones stood in my house. Compared to the number of persons in my house. I found that there were more phones in my house than the individuals.
Yeah.
So, Nigerians now, most persons have a phone now. Why can't you channel such energy in provide security gadgets? Your own side. Obligatory on your environment, government. Something I think you your CCTV footage or something, clips from your environment. He providing where. That's more than the capacity.
Yes.
Oh,
yeah. Another thing, na even in tackling criminality, you know, I need Lugo stage, way CCTV cameras in certain positions, Abiana every town. It should be a must.
Yeah, I think government
mandate here everywhere. There should be CCTV. Even it can also be a project the government can take up.
They can cover.
You know,
let them cover those areas. Other people wear their own.
Yes.
Taxation. Actually, incentive. I subsidize if on our cost. Something like this. Let's partner with shop owners. Let's partner with communities.
Yes. Even to partner with some individuals. Even apart from owner. Even if every street, I partner with individuals. If every street where CCTV.
But that guy, Babu, that's
yeah.
The guy.
Yeah, Kirk.
Yes, they started asking for CCTV cameras.
Yeah,
around.
Close to
yes.
And they gather things.
Yes. So it's very important.
It
will help.
My people, another thing I want to point out.
If we really want to fight
another thing I want to point out is that we don't just heap everything on the government.
Yeah. Yes.
Our own side. A guy, the model. You see all these things that they use the phone now. Phones, the cameras in our phone reveal a lot of things.
Yeah.
If you have phone, you have SIM card in it. You're connected. Your SIM card are go traceable to you.
Yeah.
We should also involve these communication companies, telecommunication companies.
Yeah.
We involve them. Who is this person? I'm like get a mad call on the phone without knowing the number. Before I'll take the call. So I'm on these things. They're possible.
Yeah.
Let's. If I want to move from what we already have, but no, or the one, government or I or that like that.
But my master, Dixon, which I will say that some of a large number of people they now support that thing, because when you come to a community and when they wundori and I'm alpha. Then wundori amalo. Kidi fe jizi na this if you see something say something other apply or makazi No, no, can buy the Yahoo. Yahoo, Na-Eme Yahoo. And what on the
Yes.
Now they melody Yahoo. But can you hear me? A man put us no, Na-Eme Yahoo.
Now I think Ibian and Kanwa, we have to an extent. Now we are young people lying on the street. We hear what people say. You got that? Due to some of the corrupt system.
From okay, the corrupt system.
Due to the corrupt system. So egu na to your because one of my boss ndike but na shop yeah. So fortunately enough obuno onwe CCTV. So may report. Make the report to whichever agency you may. Never the footage. The next time in the Kenabia, all that CCTV kabuzo go the first before. So now you see there. Yes. Yes. So Amara Mirota. So most times, of which things like this has occurred severally. Maduje report to a particular matter before the person, before you know it, within 2 days, I go the person. You got that. The person futazi achuva. So most times, everybody in Achokwa, these are things we hear on the street. These are things we see happen. So most times, most people, because of out of fear. No, when I can draw this simple question. In tackling criminality, can the chair, made the more work? Where the more work? Is it the federal government? Is it the state government or the community? For me, I think okay. Yeah, no, it's fine.
Okay.
Federal
government, state government, na community, grassroots. Can they
work I will even go down from the community. I'll go down to family.
Family. Okay.
The family of that guy in US, the father said something too. The father
the father said the boy na surrender.
Yeah. Also why? Because that this what the son did
was wrong.
Had all right. So most of these people.
Okay, when you let's just go for a little break. After that,
all right.
Let's talk about this. That's just all for break and time If any youth program, the line. Direct from the so in I found a topic tackling criminality because up youth non because in the or the work of youth yeah, but let's look at the root causes and that's what we are discussing. So join us. The Maya Master, and we Ajubu go before the break. I say, Abena tackling criminality. Kebe the most corrupt. When we look at it, like when we fix the man I fix again or bidogo.
Yeah.
Looking at the federal government, looking at the state government, looking at the grassroots, that is the community, going down to the families as we mentioned. Let me hear.
Yeah. Like I said, they be doing from the families. Why? Because most times, if an abande, every family when can abafa. And we can forward onya na anya for no de no de wete forward another person. And then we can differ the for in the family. Onya actual society, onya actual. At the end, onya chuaga wrong direction. If any wete, if na ya kule bunaba side oyenka. Ndi nkene emesiezi we from on the eja I say if you know you can make a no peak again. Fan church,
yeah, that way, yes. That's one big issue.
Oh, family norms, firstly.
Yeah.
And another thing, I may emphasize on the environment seriously. Because I can remember growing up, street as in Conk one. Emalebe Sokoto Road de Malu Bida Malu Kong Street di Onitsha. Then go on then Gram DMGS. Na for no na center na for ife na eme na Onitsha say ho. Mgbe Derico na akpa ike na Onitsha anyị nwa no there. And yo anyị nwa bụ ndị nwe ike si na anyị na-eni ya anya na afọ ife ọ na-eme ma Chiejina. Anyị nwa the people who witness Derico and Chiejina. Ofuma real obro nke a na-akọ na movie. So and these people if we go there to fast eme ina anya somehow if uku ụmụazị na-etolite na ndị na ka onye ọbụla na-efe isi kpakakpaka
chọọ ịdịkwa
ka those people. Why? Because the way they were looking, the way fast edo onwefa, the way obodo si go die atufe egwu onye nwa tie makwa onye mbụ something like that, and they get away with things like that. Then when because another thing Choi he point out was egwu so n'ife eji akam situation of iko mgbe na-ekwu okwu udogachi all of the propaganda faji wee bata. Yeah, but at the end of the whole thing, they didn't live up to expectation. That's just the truth. So, mgbe bakasi bata too. Ama me etu onye obana si ndị na-agba gburugburu na-agba bakasi afra anaghị mma acha red something like that. So, people ran away feel na far nwe ike obula na far the culpable to the far. So, this is one of the things in feel any use where cheko from the community, then federal. One day the major job.
Because Ibia because if facing now the family. Now one way some people when the right upbringing, let's not forget that. When do the right upbringing, but along the line. Face another way. You got that. Everybody with the upbringing of maybe so Yahoo, Moizuri, or along the line, maybe school, peer pressure.
So that's why we emphasize on environment.
Yes, so that is where the government needs to equip our security. Our security agents need to be equipped, from police to community policing to even at the state level. I need to equip with security. Security I do equipped before. Something recently, in where a good security agency just now patrol in a particular area, eguna to some of those boys now perpetrated criminality.
Chelo, when we talk about this criminality, I want to weapon because there were some stories. Sebona, I say. No, those same people will be there. So when it comes now, down it was the security. When
it comes to that kind of will live life without implication. The people who now employ these people, when boy are be fair charge over them, boys soye. Boys soye means the community will come out. Everybody will come out. Emalonya, so Nigeria look to that level. Jungle justice when you include the person there.
Always some communities on validate the person, but hand over to authorities.
That's what
you understand me? But now, what a guy with that kind of thing because so many people now to Ziegu. Imagine the thing.
So, why soldiers don't trace a bullet to a particular person is because of something like this. Firing squad about the person. It cannot be one person. And there will be a commander that will say shoot before all of them will shoot together. So what I am saying is that now, I can't wedding offer number one from federal government. Why? Because most of them, they should start from themselves. What they are doing, people now fear. Meaning that now, Orin Kefane is going from the federal down to state and to local government. In Kefane Megodi, the people they are towing leaves from Ifa. So, Oblo ne we came with them down on his okay, no, meta. One na, but I can't be a cowa. People are
EFCC and all this.
But the point is,
how many went down
what we are even saying, but they are doing these things, but not enough.
So now, if you go abroad, hadanya
entirely. Yeah.
No, they should do
more.
And another thing is Vane Naya Niru. Because the point is, in Naya, if you see a politician, you know, onye no in governance, Neliego.
Yeah.
Onye obuna mano Neliego. Now, ndị na-eto, even the ano bi uko bakwo di Ejeliego. Because this person Lilego came with Remelie.
Why is it that na enwe, let's assume na enwe leader na de Eliego? Because I want to soludo but as a governor, no de Eliego, no
all these things.
No, this team going on. And then men actually associated to this thing. Okay, now what is the people's problem?
There is nothing. One thing here, man.
Allow the person.
Yes.
If somebody onye na-achi ana-akoto ya.
Sure.
When the person is done, people will know that no onye did better.
Exactly.
So ana-akoto onye no na ochichi, I'll just say until the person is done.
Yes.
Onye amechazia, oga uche gi some people had that value if I want to lose way. Onye say let's see, oh, this person did better. You understand? So onye ochichi before mother go deal self na governance, so ya money mo onwe na ya dey ready. Before na ato ya na ya.
Okay, this feature, what do the people want?
Now, what the people want, you can't satisfy everybody. That's one thing I am Malele. Once you are doing the right thing, like Ibiana Anambra now, Soludo is working. There is no, every local government is getting it. So, Vanna has seen all this. I don't know if you understand. Okay,
now, because no should that encourage criminality?
No, it shouldn't.
How?
Now, that is why, you know, we talked about something, and that is where my own solution comes in. In schools, because now we're not looking at, even maybe go, what the new generation can breed is here. In schools, we shouldn't just teach knowledge. We should also teach character. I don't know if you understand me. The family should go back. The parents should go back to the drawing board and begin to teach their children values, the need for moral values. So that because there need to be an overhauling of the mind. Now, politics is about Iba, Kilivego, Bodo. That needs to change.
And the mindset of abundance. Even if people can't get enough.
Definitely.
But anyway enough. But nobody wants to look at what they have as enough. Extra.
Yes.
And those who Okochicho. So ebute na criminality. Naga on. So let's have our last words on our
Oliver,
topic.
We always want some more. To accord with everybody. So if this whole thing, but government they should do more. In fact, all from this you could say go back to drawing board, like my brother said.
Yes.
Faga a check here. Make sure that before you think of going to another person's house, that you've sanitized your own.
Good.
On your own office in corner. Let people be held accountable for if our family is appropriate. If our say na mother on a party or mecha for job or the government I be after the person or one to the ruling party, so that na a shield.
Yes.
I wine. That means all the ruling party be even with the monopoly of a committing crime. That's just the thing. So what I'm trying to point out to onye ọbụna jụọ onwe ya ajụjụ. Ọ bụrụ na akwado idozi Nigeria, si dozie. Ọ bụrụkwanụ na etu aka anyị.
Ọ na ndozi anwa ka anụ.
Ọ bụrụ na etu aka anyị.
Oni ifilubere edozibegi ya.
Efilu no nke anyị na-eme bụ ndozi. Because I'm saying what I'm seeing.
Yes.
So and I believe that somebody is going to hear it.
Sure.
And I am sure that what we are saying here, or whether anybody now interfere with the truth, the way we say it.
Yes,
so that's the best thing that I'm seeing. And this is the way I feel Nancy I contribute to my own quota.
To the ndozi.
Yeah.
So for me, I think on the part of the government and the justice system, justice should be served equally. I think when that is done, it will send the message. Justice should be served equally. It shouldn't be partial. You got that? Onye nume asabu onya if asabu onyana. That will also help.
So, you know, today I have tackling root of criminality in Ogbe, and they gonna. We pray one day. Okay. I'm bored.
Nante, almost on Yante, I can
So, I just September weekend, a lalonezi weekend.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So we
not
need
not
to
anymore.
go back to that
Feel
kind of a feel.
Now I can walk go. Adeje nyaeje.
Yes.
If I know development in a bute so many things. Even US now, the shootings that are happening in that, no matter what no, if I try, can implication. Implication.
Yes. Only anything. Can implication here so use
The law,
the law take effect whether ni we go
money when I say no na we crime or they call for youth now you can see that even down they are committing the crime and the youths are seeing
and they are learning
and they are learning
so kita gaya benanjedo program coming from Moa by Master Dixon. So see you next week Thursday. I have a wonderful topic. I so see you. You can follow us on ABS online. We are on all social media: Facebook, X, TikTok, Instagram. You can mention it. So make sure you need follow. What if see about Tanawro, Boy?